something, something, something. Put the body on me. And when I see you, bam, bam, no lie. Never leave you lonely. And when you move slow.
Hello guys, so welcome back to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa, and if you are new to my home, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, hi. Well guys, today I am getting ready to start our Christmas walkthrough in stores. And I am going to kick it off with our first store, and it is Big Lots. So guys, I have chosen a color that no store has. It's crazy for me to actually find a color that I absolutely have fallen in love with for my winter months, but there's no store with the color. So I have to go through Amazon to try to come up with this color. It's crazy. But nevertheless, guys, I will come to you after this video. Go ahead and see what so far Big Lots have out, and they do have some new items this year. So guys, if you're ready, come on, let's see what's in Big Lots.
Just like the ones I used to know. I'm the white Christmas. I'm
see anything new at Big Lots. I saw so many new different things in Big Lots. And guess what? They were still putting out things they still hadn't put their Christmas trees out or whatever. So I was at first dibs of looking at some new things. And I will say the blue is so new. But of course, I don't want blue because as you can see, your girl did blue in the memory of my grandmother for the fall. And my Christmas in memory of my mom. So the blue would not work. I don't want to take fall blue, bring it to my Christmas. I don't want to do that. So guys, hopefully you did enjoy. And yes, we're going to have lots of stores. We're going to go to Kirkland's. We're going to go to Hobby Lobby. We're going to Joann's. We're going to Michael. Well, Michael's really don't have much like that, but we will be going to Ross Department Store. We will do Marshall's. We will do Home Goods, and we have 2 new stores here that we will be going into, and also I will be doing Carolina Pottery. I will be doing oh goodness, what the name, Tuesday Morning. So it's a lot of stores that I will be doing, and of course my absolute favorite store, the Christmas tree. And besides the Christmas tree, guys, we will be going to At Home. So we have an array of stores that we will be going through, but this is just a kickoff. I know you're like, how are you gonna kick off the Christmas, but you haven't shown us complete fall tour? I know that. My complete fall home tour will be next week. So look for this week. We're gonna redo the staircase for the fall, and we're gonna be working on the back patio. So I want to get that ready, fall-ish colors. And you know it's gonna be blue, so I will be doing that. So after that, I will be giving you the complete downstairs home tour, and that is also a sponsor. So I'm so excited because it's a sponsor. So other than that, guys, this is my first kickoff for my Christmas store Walk With Me tour. And look for it, we're gonna have so many of them all the way up until the week before Thanksgiving. Yes, Thanksgiving. Because in our home, I will be putting up our Christmas tree the end of October. And I told you all that in probably 2 or 3 videos prior to this video. So yes, we get ready to do some tours. And if it's a store that you may be interested in, let me know. If it is in my area or within a 1-hour radius, which that is only Atlanta, Savannah. I don't too much care for going to Savannah, I'm gonna tell you that now. Pula is cool. I like Pula, but on my side, it's easy for me to go right there to Atlanta. So that is what I am bringing to you on these. So hopefully you did enjoy this, and I will see you in the next one. Please remember to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Your skin just like this. Me and you against the world.